So next question is, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if repetition of digit is not allowed? Here you see 4-digit numbers, see 1 to 9. So what are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many numbers are there? 9. In the no repetition is allowed. So our first case, what is the first case? NBR formula. NBR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, like that. A lot of numbers are there. So out of 9, we want 4 numbers at a time. So what is the in 9p4? 9p4 is 9 factorial by 9 minus 4 factorial. 9 factorial by 5 factorial. So 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Answer is 3024. How many numbers lying between 100 and 1000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? The repetition of digit is not allowed. In the previous problem, you see if repetition of digit is allowed, what is answer here? So first, because 4-digit number, first place can be filled in 9 ways, second place can be filled in 9 ways, fourth place, third, fourth. So answer is what? 9 raised to 4. Repetition of digit is allowed. Now, how many numbers lying between 100 and 1000? Between 100 and 1000, it will be a third digit. It is a 3-digit number. So we first have to count a permutation of 6-digit number. 6-digit now at a 3 at a time. That means out from 6 numbers we have to select 3 at a time. So this is out of 6p3. But in that case, what is there? 0 is sometimes 1, 2, 3, or 3, 2, 1, or 4, 5. But in that case, one case is 0, 4, 1, or 0, 2, 3, like that cases are there. So here 0, 4, 1 is considered as 41 only, 2-digit number only. So it is not in between 100 and 1000. So we have to remove that. So you fix 0 at the 100th place. So remaining how many places are 2 places? 2 places from 5 digits. So 5p2. To get a number of such numbers, we fix 0 at the 100th place and rearrange the remaining 5 digits taking 2 at a time. So this is 5p2. So the required number is total 6p3 minus 5p2. 6p3 minus 5p2 is 5p2 is 6 factorial by 3 factorial minus 5 factorial by 3 factorial. So answer is 4 into 5 into 6 minus 4 into 5. Answer is 100. Now in this case, if the repetition of digit is allowed, what will happen? So total 6 are there. So first case is what? 6 into 6 into 6, 216. Now you find out the number of digits in which 0 is coming in the 100th place. So first 0, next this is 6 into 6, so 36. So answer is what? 180. How many ways can 4 red, 3 yellow, and 2 green biscuits be arranged in a row? The disc of the same color are indistinguishable. That is the form. You remember the formula: n factorial by p1 factorial into p2 factorial, etc. pk factorial. Here 4, 3, 2. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 9. 9 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial, because all are same. So we are applying that formula. Now, for a number of arrangements or letters or the word independence, in how many of these arrangements do the words start with the P? Do all the vowels always occur together? Do the vowels never occur together? Do the words begin with I and end with the P? So there are 12 letters. Here also we are applying the formula n factorial by p1 factorial into p2 factorial, etc. pk factorial. So there are 12 letters. In 12 letters, it can be arranged. You see, in independence, 12 letters. N appears 3 times, E appears 4 times, D appears 2 times. So total number of arrangement is 12 factorial by 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. This is the answer. Now, if you fix the P at one end, P a starting place, then remaining 11 letters are there. 11 letters can be arranged in 11 factorial by, but same repetition is there. 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial. So answer is this. Now, you do all the vowels occur together. Do all the vowels, you see, there are 4 E's and 1 I vowels. So if it will consider a single letter, this single object together with the 7 remaining, because total 5 plus 7, 12. So these 5 vowels is considered as a single letter plus 7 consonants. 7 plus 5, 12. So 7 plus, this is a considered a single letter. So 7 plus 1, 8. So this 8 object can be arranged in 8 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. But in this EEA, it will be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial by 4 is there. So 4 factorial. So by fundamental principle of counting, what you can say, 8 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 5 factorial by 4 factorial. So this is answer. Now do all the vowels never occur together? Never occur together means this is the total number of cases minus this. So we are getting 1663200 minus 1680. This is the answer. Now, if you fix I and P at the extreme ends, I at the left end and P at the right end, then there are how many ways? 10 factorial by the 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial. So 10 letters are I and P are under. So the remaining out of 10, out of 12, 12 minus 2, 10. 10 letters can be arranged in 10 factorial by 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Now suppose if I and P occupy into place, that's only telling means what you have to do, you multiply with the 2, because it is not, it may be I may be in the first, P is in the last, or I may be in the last, P in the first. So this is the way we have to find out the